What drew us to the Cero product was the look of them, and also even just the way that the doors operate, the mechanism. With being in a chair, you need something that's easy to glide and is solid and a nice product. And I think definitely when we tried that in the showroom, then that was definitely what drew us towards it. The quality, the movement, the thin sight lines, it all just clicked into place. One of the other benefits that we've massively noticed is the difference in the warmth in the house. I don't have to put the fire on at night. Before, when the sun dropped, the temperature would drop, and before the heating had kicked in properly, I'd always have the fire on, whereas now I don't get to have my fire on because it's always too warm. So I think the main changes that the Cero doors have made is really just in the access that I'm able to do. Before, there was sliding doors, but they were very, very difficult for me to open being in the chair. So I would struggle to get them open. So that restricts what you can do, and if you have to think about going to open a door, whereas now it's just easy. I can slide them open, I can go outside, I've no access either issues with the thresholds, in and out, and it's just so much better. So now that the project's complete, I think, we're delighted. We're absolutely delighted with how everything's gone. I think we definitely chose the right products. It's cosy, it's warm, it's exactly the look that we were going for. It's clean, it's tight, it's neat. It's great. We're really, really happy.